U.S. stocks rallied on Friday as the markets absorbed a better-than-expected April jobs report and muted wage increases. Tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index rose to record highs, while the S&P 500 almost made a record high finish after the Labor Department stated that U.S. payrolls climbed 263,000 in April. And unemployment rate fell by 3.6% to mark its lowest since December 1969. Oil prices edged lower on Monday after U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to lift tariffs on Chinese goods, putting trade negotiations with China at risk and renewing concerns over global oil demand. Brent crude futures hit its lowest since April 2 at $68.79 per barrel before recovering to trade at $70.69 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate stood at $61.65 per barrel after posting its weakest since March 29 of $60.04 a barrel earlier in the session. The Turkish lira plunged to an 8-month low on Tuesday after country's elections authorities nullified the latest municipal elections results for Istanbul. The news instantly left the lira with a 2% loss and an additional 1.5% drop afterwards, deeming the currency as the worst performing of all G20 currencies except for the Argentine peso. Global stock markets stood close to 5-week lows on Wednesday, as the latest trade tensions and worldwide economic worries prompted investors to flee from riskier assets. The Shanghai Composite and Nikkei closed down more than 1%, while European stocks weakened as support from the unexpected rise in German industrial output faded. The dollar lingered near a 6-week low against the Japanese yen on Thursday, as broader markets sought for safe haven amid fears of possible escalation in the US-China trade dispute. The greenback was at 109.91 yen after hitting 109.70 overnight to mark as its weakest since March 25, while markets await the start of a 2-day trade negotiations in Washington later in the day to find out if China will be able to convince the US to withdraw its planned tariff hike on Friday.